Enkumi n'enkumi z'abahagizi b'ekibiina ekyarwanyisiriza muri Kitagwenda bayishuka aha kishaayi kya Kayombo Primary School omu disitulikiti ya Kitagwenda kubaasa kwakira obakwatiire bendera hamwe n'okuhuririza ebyarikuza okubakorera omu nkiro erikwija. Abantu aba Kitagwenda barikurabira omu beebembezi baabo aha ruteeranuuru nibo babanza kugambira omwebembezi w'ihanga His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni ebintu ebarikwenda gavumenti kuteekaho amaani ekabakorera omu nkiro y'obwebembezi erikwija.
Twine emihanda omu works sector. Your Excellency nka Kitagwenda ntukunda konka twine ekizibu ky'omuhanda n'abareetwamu nibagureeba omuhanda okuruga Ibanda Kabuzogera Kamwenje Kabuzogera Mashoro Chambura omuhanda ogwo gwatumaraho.
Omu kugamba kweye omwebembezi w'ihanga His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni yaragira omutonganirizi wa gavumenti kureebeka ngu yayebembera ehuriro y'okureebuka ngu abantu boona aba Kitagwenda abafeerirwe ebintu byabo ahabw'orutaro rw'abaheekera ba ADF bashumbushibwa.
Then there are school lorries which were taken because of the war. Those are compensations by the ministry, by Attorney General, should be compensated without fail. The school lorries, PPS, are you there? Yes. Attorney General should compensate those schools with the bus, the lorries. The bus is my pledge.
Yayongera yaraganisa abantu ba Kitagwenda okubateera ekyoma ky'omwani omu kicweka eki kwenda kugira ngu omwani okuruga mu disitulikiti egi gukayongerwaho omutindo gutakagiire mu katare.
After the elections we shall plan for that factory because that's very simple. We are supporting a coffee factory in Kajara, Mtungamo, big one. Here we can support one of the husking and grading and sorting, we can support that one. Then it works with the other one.
Hona omu kugamba kwe President Yoweri Museveni yaraganisa ngu gavumenti neija kukora kandi eboneze enkuuto zitari zimwe na zimwe omuri Kitagwenda kwenda kushongera entunguuka.
So mbwena hanguuta egyo neija kukorwa esente batu bazitungire ez'okweguza tuzitungire ati omushyikirano abagambira speaker yabagira ngo bahingwize budget kukora oruguuto oru kuruta Mashoro konka abantu bagamba kurukererwe bakagamba munonga betegereze ekikukerereza nengi okukwata bingi.
President Museveni nagumizamu kuronda obushagiki omu rubuga rw'izooba kandi izooba rya nyenkyakare naija kuhumuraho. Amakuru aga gashakwa Ronald Ngabirano na Christine Charukunda omuri Kitagwenda.